New at 6, the trial of a Hillsborough heiress accused of killing her ex-boyfriend in 2016. The prosecutors call it a custody battle that ended in murder. KPIX 5's Len Ramirez was there for today's opening statements. He is outside the courthouse in Redwood City.
Well, prosecutors say this was a premeditated murder, the result of a long and bitter custody battle between the couple over their 2 children. Meantime, defense attorneys say that this was a kidnapping gone awry and that the wrong people are on trial. Prosecutors portrayed Hillsborough heiress Tiffany Li as a cheating girlfriend who plotted with her new boyfriend to kill her ex and the father of her 2 girls because he wanted too much money for child support. In opening statements, Deputy DA Brian Abanto said Li lured the father, Keith Green, to her chateau-style mansion in 2016 to discuss the children, where her new boyfriend, Kiva Byatt, forced a gun into Green's mouth, breaking a tooth, and then he pulled the trigger. Abanto said Li and Byatt then hired Byatt's friend Olivier Adela to dispose of Green's body, which was eventually found decomposing off the side of a road in Sonoma County. Prosecutors were not available for comment, but defense lawyers said it was Adela who alone murdered Green in a botched kidnapping attempt.
The prosecution is prosecuting a case. They've got the wrong people on trial.
Tiffany Li sat nearly motionless throughout the day. Her attorney said prosecutors ignored evidence pointing to Adela. Adela agreed to plead guilty to accessory to murder and was to be the prosecution's star witness, but he was arrested for alleged witness tampering on the eve of the trial. That could make the prosecution's case entirely circumstantial.
The circumstantial evidence is overwhelming that it was Mr. Adela in the company of others, such as those we named in our opening statement, and the evidence is lacking as it relates to Tiffany Li.
Li and Byatt are being tried together in a murder case prosecutors admit will hinge on highly technical cell phone records that tied the defendants and the victim to the murder scene. In Redwood City, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.